Yo, new phone, what's up? Yo, it's a beautiful day, yo. It's a beautiful day, yo. Hey, yo, shout out. I got that rocket phone. Just dropped. You can tell this shit looking nice out here. Hey, yo, new phone though. Don't know any number. Let me know. Alright, holla. Yep. It's a video.
Oh, bro.
They even got the video on here.
That's crazy.
What's up? New rocket drop. Yo, holla at your boy.
No. Welcome to anybody saying that shit's sick as fuck. I ain't got no flip phone.
It's tough, bro.
Yo, wait, you should.
I got that camcorder.
Yo, can we
on
money
there,
spread on camera?
Yeah, real shit.
We actually became friends with them, so it's like it's hard to fuck it. They're not bad people. I'm only saying this because I don't know how.
I'm documenting right now. Alright, that video.
You should take
Hey, what's happening here?
Wait, I'm really confused. Avery, pull up. How do you want me to pull up?
Just go around this car.
What the fuck? Just walk. Oh, is that Leah? It is Leah. Oh, perfect. She can let us in. Okay, let me. Okay.
Hey, watch out. There's a person on you now.
Alright. Yeah, I think this would be a good one.
I'm just saying. I'm just going around.
I want to believe you like a lot.
And my trip away, I could wait away.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I want that. I literally want that.
Yeah, I'm taking a video right now.
Take a selfie.
Yeah, bro. Yo, everybody flamed me for having an Android, so I don't know what they want to say now. Yeah, this shit is not even an Android. This is like a third party right here. I'll get a mile, please. I'll get corn. Oh, could I also get the fried veggies as well? And I'll just get lettuce on top of that, and then that's all. Yes, please. Awesome, thank you. Bro, did you take it? Or is it a video?
I think I took a photo.
It's a video right now. Yeah. Nah, shit.
Yo, I don't know how I fit these on previously. That's kind of why I didn't want to take them out, because this thing looks fucking full, but like I have so many lines.
Yeah, I can tell.
I have to get another one of these.
You want to see the video quality on here? Look at this.
This is a little better than I thought.
It's not bad, eh? Look at that.
For reference, this is not 2003. This is 2020 fucking 4.
So it's actually, hey man.
$1 a night. Hotel.
Yeah, I should have been like, there's this poor guy named Abby who can really use the extra $3 grand. But send it to him. He does.
Fuck you.
By the way,
Fuck you.
Dude, I was gonna get you $3 grand. So how are you even waiting?
You got
Look at hashtags on everything.
I don't know. I'm not that sweaty. All right, that's pretty sweaty.
No, my friend's sweaty. You got 30K views.
Did you guys have lunch?
Oh yeah. Selfie.
Say hi, bro. It's a video right now. What you got to say?
Hey,
This guy got no game.
What is that, bro? Is that leather?
it's kind of like a jean.
It's like a snazzy.
It is a good look to it.
Love it.
It is a good look to it, yeah. You hit the side.
Next
right
one.
on too, Jess. What was that?
Like size?
Yeah.
XL.
XL, right? Oh, shit. Oh, you should have 50 grand.
Oh, I know. Oh, wait. No, we'll do mine last.
Okay, open it, Grant.
Oh, no, I will.
It's actually fricked up, dude.
Swearing he's not accepting you, bro.
Oh, I.
Hey, boy. Can I pull
There you
this
are,
in?
man.
Turkey. Protein. Stop. Delete that.
What do? Yo. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
Oh, true. Okay.
What's up?
Yeah,
What's up, dude? Gates? I stole my brother's present.
Say what's up.
Say
Huh? Say what's up. What's up? Alright, sweet. Alright, say what's up.
What's up? Check recording again.
Garab, say what's up to the vlog.
To your blog?
Yep, on here.
How many followers?
0.
0?
But this is the first video.
No.
Say hi to the vlog.
What?
Hi to the vlog.
Hi? Hi?
Yeah. Okay, nice.
To all his followers.
Yep.
All his followers.
Marty, say hi to the vlog.
To who?
To the vlog.
To who?
The vlog.
Oh, the blog. The blog?
Yeah, the vlog. Yeah, the vlog. Yeah.
Oh, hey. Hi, blog.
Alright, nice.
Australia. We'll see.
Oh, really? You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi, blog.
Alright, nice. Say hi.
So, tell them.
Alright, sweet. Say hi to the vlog. Alright, you want to say hi to the vlog? Yeah.
Who's that?
Oh, it's just a video.
Oh, hi.
Alright, sweet. Alright, just going around.
It's a flip phone.
Yeah, it's a new one.
Yeah?
It's a new rocket.
We used to have one. All the kids used to tell me, oh, I've never seen one of those.
Pretty good. Alright, good.
Hey, whoa.
Alright, nice.
Good close up.
You were ahead of your time, Jim, that's all.
Yeah.
That's what that was.
Coming back.
Yeah, that's right. I think that's it.
Everyone,
Going to the bank.
you guys are friends on the couch? Did you get
do right now. It's still on.
No, vlogs.
I hope I wasn't like blocking it.
Okay.
Grandma, you want to say hi to the blog? It's a video right now.
Hi, vlog.
Awesome. Alright, sweet. I think I got everybody.
I got the
I
snow.
got Check it out. It's a video right now.
What? Like, can't see nothing.
Nah, it just looks like that. Well, actually, I think it's bad lighting. You can't really see anything.
Tom got a flip phone.
Yeah.
He thinks he's an old bug guy. Yeah.
You've got some color in your face now.
Yo, it's his birthday. It's his birthday, bro. Your name. Just getting some sun. Look at that. See that black ball up there? That is the sun. First sunlight in, well, first off all day. But like, no sunlight all week, man. It's fucked up. So, just trying to rejuvenate myself. And, just fucking get comfy, man. Too much time inside. Lord.
I guess not that deep, bro.
What is this? What is this? No way!
What is this?
It's a pretty. No, I'm doing it.
Oh, it's not touching.